These look absolutely perfect. Put them in the top crate. Load 42 is good to go.
Move to base 6.
Watch out for the cracked carrots.
This automated system ensures peak freshness. High-pressure jets remove every trace of dirt, leaving the vegetables perfectly clean. This high-speed industrial shredder processes thousands of pounds daily. Precision-engineered blades spin at over 1,000 RPM, instantly transforming whole cabbages into perfectly uniform strips. Precision engineering meets culinary art. Massive paddles blend fresh ingredients, creating a perfectly smooth filling. Inside this facility, precision is everything. High-speed circular blades cut thousands of perfect wrappers every hour. Synchronized robotics then sort and stack them with flawless accuracy. Every single dumpling is carefully inspected. Only the flawless pieces make it to the steamer. This ensures the highest quality for every bite. Our advanced AI vision system scans every momo for flawless quality, guaranteeing perfection in every bite.
These look perfectly sealed.
Keep them coming, line 2 is ready. Let's get these last cartons loaded! Keep them coming, we're on schedule. Let's get these last cartons loaded.